Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Holo, currently ranked 109 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 year, we have seen Holo trade for as high as $0.0071. It has also traded for as low as $0.0013. Holo is down 66% on a yearly time frame. We're deep in the crypto bear market. So where's Holo heading to by the end of the next crypto bull run? How high can we go? Can we break into new all-time highs? In this video, we're taking a look at the Holo US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Holo's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll also take a sneak peek at Holo's market cap, which currently sits around $339 million. We saw the market cap get to an all-time high of $5.4 billion by the end of the previous bull run. So how high are we going to go by the end of the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. While if you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Holo is down bad in its first full crypto bear market. All coins are down aggressively. That's expected in a bear market. We saw all coins having huge pumps to the upside in a bull market. And right now, we're going through a bear market. We have to go through bear market if you want to enjoy the pumps in a bull market. We saw Holo launched in May of 2018, deep in the previous bear market, and we saw this altcoin dumping to Goblin Town after it was launched, losing around 82% of its value. And in that same bear market, we still saw Holo rally up another 642%. But that was not the end. We still had one final trip back to Goblin Town where we saw Holo dumping to as low as the $0.00025 level, losing around 90% of its value from the high we got to in May of 2019. So even though all coins might continue dumping to Goblin Town in the bear market, even though the bear market is not over for all coins, guys, by the end of the next bull run, we're going to see this kind of huge pump to the upside that we saw in Holo from March 2020 to when the rally ended for Holo in April of 2021. In just a 381-day period, we saw Holo go up by more than 13,000% to the moon. $1,000 invested in this altcoin should have returned more than $131,000 in less than 400 days. But for you to enjoy that pump to the upside, you had to survive these bear markets, the dump in the bear market, the pump in the bear market, and more dump in the bear market. Right now, we're in another bear market, and this Holo's first full crypto bear market. Holo is down bad in its first full crypto bear market. We have seen this altcoin go down by more than 95%, and we can easily go lower than that in this bear market. There's no guarantees that the bottom is in. But how high can we get to by the end of the next bull run? For us to start getting to new all-time highs from where Holo is currently trading, we'll have to rally up by more than 1,400%, which means $1,000 invested in Holo right now should return over $14,000 if we see it going back to the previous all-time high. We're not going to have a smooth ride to the previous all-time highs. We're still going to face a lot of hurdles along the way. The first hurdle might come in around the $0.0028 level. If we pass that hurdle, we still have some more difficulties waiting for us at the $0.0072 level. And after that level, we'll still have the last rally we had for Holo where we saw it rally into as high as the $0.016 level in November of 2021 after it pumped by 274% to the upside. That will be another critical level where Holo might face significant resistance on our quest to get to new all-time highs. And after the $0.016 level, we will be left with the previous all-time high around the $0.031 region. And Holo can easily get there very quickly. From where we're currently trading right now to the previous all-time high, it took Holo just around 48 days to pump that high. All coins can be very aggressive to the downside when they're dumping to Goblin Town, but when they're pumping to the upside, they can also pump very aggressive From where we're currently trading, Holo just took 45 days to go back to the previous all-time high. And from the 1st of January 2021, we saw Holo just spend around 70 days to give us a 50x pump to the upside. So by the ending of that bull market, we're going to see huge pumps to the upside. If we can pass all these various resistance levels using Fibonacci retracement tool, that's how we'll know the next levels that will be giving us difficulty when we get to that new all-time highs. And according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, from the top of the previous bull market to the bottom of this bear market where we have gotten to, key levels we should pay close attention to for Holo in the coming days and the coming weeks. If we are pumping to new all-time highs, the $0.049 level will be a region where we might face some difficulties after we blast into new all-time highs. We might also see Holo having some difficulties around the $0.078 region. And the last point, before we see the final full form of Holo in the next bull run, is going to be around that $0.1 level. For us to get to that $0.1 level, guys, from where we're currently trading, Holo will have to give us another 5,000% pump to the upside. Do you think Holo can repeat that trick for the second time? We have seen it do it the first time, giving us more than 100% pump to the upside. So can we see a 50% pump to the upside in the next bull market? If we take a look at some details about Holo in the last 1 month, that's traded for as low as $0.0014. That's also traded for as high as $0.0023. With a market cap of $339 million, Holo has a fully diluted market cap of $348 million and is currently ranked 109 on CoinMarketCap with over 368,000 people having Holo on their watch list. Holo is a peer-to-peer distributed platform for hosting centralized applications built using Holochain, a framework for developing DApps that don't require the use of blockchain technology. The goal of Holo is to serve as a bridge between the broader internet and apps built using Holochain. If you want to buy or sell some Holo tokens deep in the bear market as we're getting ready for another crypto bull run, you can do that on Binance, on Uniswap, on SushiSwap, on Gate.io, on Wobi, on Bybit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you continue accumulating the bear market, one mistake you want to avoid, guys, is going all in too quickly. Deep in the bear market is where you want to do the majority of your accumulation, but that doesn't mean we're not going to get some dumps along the way. That doesn't mean we're not going to get some pumps along the way. Take a look at what happened in the previous bear market for Holo. We saw a lot of pumps along the way. We saw a lot of dumps along the way, but eventually that huge pump to the upside came. So your number one job in the bear market is to survive. Once you can get to the end of the bear market, it's up only. But for you to get to that up only region, you have to accumulate and you have to take advantage of any dips we'll see in the bear market. And taking advantage of the dips means you didn't go all in. Going all in is a no-no in the bear market. You always want to have some capital on the side because there will always be life-changing opportunities at some point in time in the bear market. If you take a look at Holo's hot performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's down in Goblin Town. Expectedly, it's dumping against both Bitcoin and against Ethereum. Take a look at what Holo did from January 2019. Dumping aggressively against Bitcoin, losing 95% of its value. But guys, when is the darkest? When everybody thinks it cannot pump again to the upside, that's exactly when you expect it to pump to the upside, because that's exactly when we saw Holo pumping aggressively by more than 2,400% to the upside. Right now, we're currently going through another bear market and Holo has been dumping for 727 days. So when are we going to get that pump to the upside? Only time will tell. In the previous dump Holo had against Bitcoin, it took it around 743 days for that pump to come. In this bear market, we're almost at that 743-day mark. Holo has been dumping for 727 days. So in the coming days and the coming weeks, pay attention to what Holo will be doing against Bitcoin. Against Ethereum also, we saw it dumping to Goblin Town just like against Bitcoin. But after that dump to Goblin Town, we saw it pumping aggressively to the upside. And by the end of the next bull run, I'll not be shocked to see Holo go back to the highs against Bitcoin. Guys, in bull runs, huge pumps to the upside. Take a look at what Holo did against Ethereum, outperforming Ethereum in the bull market by more than 3,700%. Against Bitcoin, it also outperformed Bitcoin in that bull market by more than 2,600%. So by the end of the next bull market, expect to see Holo pumping to higher prices. But for you to enjoy those pumps to the upside, you have to survive till the end of this bear market. And I believe we're almost at the end of the bear market. We've gone through the hardest part of the bear market where we see this huge dump to the downside. At this point in time, Are you still accumulating, or are you waiting for us to continue dumping to gobbling town? If you take a look at Holo's hot market cap, the lowest we've gone in this bear market has been that $239 million region. We saw Holo hot market cap get to as high as $5.1 billion by the end of the previous bull market. And by the end of the next bull market, I'll not be shocked to see Holo's hot market cap pump to as high as $20 billion. But for us to get to that $20 billion region, we'll have to see Holo hot market cap rally up by more than 6,000% to the upside. Do you think we can get that high by the end of the next bull run? Another bonus signal we're seeing in the market is the altcoin season index telling us to buy altcoins. The last time we saw such a strong indications that we should buy altcoins was in November of 2020. What did Holo Hot do in November of 2020? Holo Hot was trading around the $0.00048 level, and the corresponding 153 days, we saw a 6,000% pump to the upside. So how high do you think we're going to pump to the upside when the next bull run comes around? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2.